Hey guys, so today I'm going to be walking you through my full day of eating, Prego style. Cool. So here we go. Hey guys, so I'm about to make breakfast. It's gonna be some eggs, some protein waffles, some syrup, and yeah. A trick that I've learned is don't break your yolk like the last 10 seconds of it even being on the stove. Like break some of them, obviously I did, but keep at least half unbroken. It's still a little bit runny and I don't know, that's just how I like it. Hey guys, so just a recap on breakfast, like 2 to 3 eggs, 2 power waffle Kodiak cake, like olive oil butter and sugar-free syrup. So good, so good. Okay, yeah, so I know it's like the most basic thing ever, but just mixed greens, spinach, whatever you want on it, honestly. Grilled chicken, you could add tomatoes if you want, you could add cucumbers if you want. It is up to you, okay? I added olive oil for some extra healthy fats, that cucumber ranch, because it's just a good alternative to ranch. It's only like 45 calories and it gives you that taste of cucumber. A little salt, a little pepper. Little salt, a little pepper. But yeah, super good, super easy, staple lunch quick, and it's just really good. I don't know. So I am heading in to train some people tonight. So I'm gonna show you all like the snacks that I eat throughout that process. Like I'm gonna work out first for about like 45 minutes, and then, oh, I just spilled my water everywhere. Oh. Alrighty, so like I said, I'm gonna work out. So I have a protein bar, which is right here. I have a protein bar I'm gonna eat right after. Then I'm here until like later at night, so I just have a couple of snacks that I can easily have access to like in between clients, and I'm not like, I don't have to heat up food, anything like that. So some dried fruit like apricots, dates, apples slices, and then pears, I think. Some Go-Go Squeeze, because I'm a child, and Randy started buying these and they're really good. Like, they're so good. A banana, of course, maybe before my workout, but I'm still feeling like good. I don't know, I don't want to feel too full before I work out. But yeah, and then a fork and some peaches. So just little tiny pick-me-up snacks that aren't gonna like overfill me. And yeah, but that's that. Cool. Now I will let you know my dinner in a few hours. Let's go train these boys. Hey guys, so I just got off work. I'm about to eat some pot roast. Yeah, I'll show you the plate in a minute. I prepped it earlier. Randy didn't eat all of it. He's watching me. Yeah.
I'm gonna get more.
Okay. Oh. It's literally just pot roast, potatoes, and carrots. So I am currently about to smash this pot roast. So thank you guys so much for following along on my full day of eating. I'm watching American Horror Story.